Three, two, one. Welcome back, guys. So let's do the daily review right here. Yeah, I just ate this, so it's pretty much still in my mouth. So don't get me wrong if I'm chewing. So look at this. Let's read it. Life plan updated. Everything works on system. Either you build. Wait. What is daily review? I'm just going to review. Have I done the yesterday's task? If yes, awesome. If no, then we're going to come up with the solution, and we'll be checking. That's it. Like we're going to check and we're going to update, and also we're going to read our goals. This is what we learned from the Think and Grow Rich. Let's do it. Everything works on system. Either you build your own system for every single thing, or get hired to work on someone else's system. The highlights when we're going to the highlights when we are going to quit the job and become full-time trader on 23 August 2026. Nearly now we are going to update this. Nearly 46 days we'll quit the job and shift to full-time trading again. When we are going to come back to the break even on a 16th of August 2026, within 39 days we'll come back to the break even on our $100,000 account. When we are going to go to New York on the first week of November 2026, nearly 116 days now. Yeah, we'll travel to the New York. My God, I hope this will be fast forward. When we're going to start making $1,000 at least from 23 August 2026, nearly 46 days, we'll start making $1,000 at least. The reason the why. So we have planned the goals. That goals drop down to yearly. That yearly drop down into quarterly. That quarterly goals should type it QUATERLY quarterly. That quarterly goals got divided into the monthly. That monthly goal is got divided into daily, and that daily goal got divided into the schedule. Has a daily review self meeting, which is what we are doing right now. Create the video on YouTube, which is what it's doing. Have we done the tasks? Have we done the assigned tasks? If yes, awesome. If no, then why? Figure out the leaking hole and instantly add the solution. That is the why. This is like a reason for doing this. So let's go to yearly schedule. Let's do this. This is we're currently running quarter 3, that is July to September. Today is 8th of the July. So we're going to read the output of this month. Rather than not this month. We're going to read the quarterly output. Quarter 3. What is the output of the quarter 3? On 16th of August 2026, we'll come back to the break even on our $100,000 account. On 23 August 2026, we'll continue the job and shift to the full-time trading. We'll be finishing a 28 analysis lecture in July. Having the trading software for analyzing and taking a trade for each type of market conditions. Buying $200,000 account unfunded next and passing it in the September month. Started backtesting on 2 years of data using the trading software from 17 June 2023 to 1 November 2025. Apply for mom dad passports for New York. Apply for quick visa for me and mom and dad. Made at least make. Made. It's already been. We are already been thinking that we are in future and just noting down what has done. Made at least $10,000 for our New York trip for the birthday on 25th November 2026 and Christmas whole month on December 2026. Yeah, September. How the output of the quarter 3 will look like, July to September. So the main July output is going to be look like this. We're going to read it now in the month section. We'll go in the July section because right now the July month is ongoing. So we'll read the July month. What is the goal of the July month? How the output looks like. Having the trading software for analyzing. We'll be having a trading software for analyzing and taking a trade for each type of market conditions. Perfect, which is what I'm creating right now. We'll be finishing 28 analysis lectures. We'll be started backtesting from the November 2025 till November 2026 using a trading software which I have created. Backtesting from November 2025 will get finished in a July of month. Started flipping, that is growing $20 into $8,000 challenge. At the end of the month, we'll be growing a 540 to $1,620. So it should be like a $20 to $1,620 at the end of the July month. So currently, right now, the first week is ongoing, right? So first week of this is looks like this 6 July to 12 July. So what is the output of the first week? We'll read in this section. So this is the first week. So now that quarterly goal got divided into monthly goal. That monthly goal got divided into the weekly goals. Man, this is crazy. I'm getting crazy with this. So in this first week of July, that is 6th July to 12th of July, the output of this looks like 10 to 15 lecture will get finished 28 analysis videos and will be grow $20 into $60. That is how it's the first step of growing the $20 into $8,000 challenge. We need to start with the $20 to $60. Yeah, that's how it is. Now this is a weekly goal. Now we're going to go and read the daily goal. So now today is the 8th of July. So in the 8th of the July, I'll just type this. What should I do? I will create a template later on. So in today, that is 8th of the July, we're going to review the yesterday's day, that is 10th of July. So have we done the task? It's so simple. Have we finished the 10th July tasks? Yes, but on 11 on 11th of July. Yes, but finished in morning of 11. Yes, but yes, we finished. It should be simple. Yes, but we finished. Oh my god, I so typed so wrongly. It's not even FINISHED. Finished in the morning of 11th of July. That's it. That's literally is it. So right now that is only is it. What is the daily review? That's only is it. So now we're going to now that's it. The daily review of yesterday has been done. We have successfully finished the yesterday's task. Yesterday's task was just to do the lecture 10. In the lecture 10, it's not like just open the lecture and just binge watch it, and if it is finished, that's it. No, fucking not. I have to do this is all the task I have to do. First of all, I have to do my own analysis. Then I have to do my I have to do my own analysis. Then I have to see the lecture, and then once I see the lecture, then I have to track the lecture, and then after tracking the lecture, then I have to create the software for that particular model. This is what I need to do. 3 to 4 things. It takes a lot, like 5 to 6 hours, like crazily. So this is how it looks like. But I can't type the whole entire thing in a whole in title, right? So it's just like lecture 10. After doing all of this, doing my own analysis, watching the lecture, and then after watching the lecture, then I will track and update take the trades, and after taking the trade, then creating models for that particular creating this trading software for that particular model. All of this included in the lecture 10. So this is it. This is how it looks like. So we have finished it, and now in a lecture 11, that means today it is I'm doing my own analysis right now. It's pretty much ongoing. So yeah, pretty much yesterday's task has been done. That's why today's task is going to be done, because today's task have plenty of time to get completed. But there was an issue, as I was working in the morning on the yesterday's task. That was the tracking the trades and creating the software for that particular model. I was doing that yesterday's task in today's morning, so I won't be able to do the today's morning tasks in today morning. So I have to do the today's morning tasks right now after this daily review. So here this is how it looks like. I have to double up the things, to make it sure I can finish it today's task. If I finish the today's task, that means I can able to finish tomorrow's task. If I won't be able to finish the today's task, then we are in issue. Then tomorrow's task is going to get pending. Then tomorrow, then next, and then we get piled up, and then nothing is finished. And that's how, if daily task is not no, if a hourly task is not get finished, then the daily task is not getting finished. If daily task is not getting finished, then the weekly task is not getting finished. If the weekly task is not getting finished, then the monthly task will not get finished. If a monthly task is not get finished, then the quarterly task not get finished. If quarterly task not get finished, then the yearly task will not get finished. And that is how we don't achieve our goals on yearly basis. The root cause is the hourly task. If
it's 18 hours,
if right now is schedule that I have to do the daily review, which is what I'm doing right now, but I didn't did that, and I had done something else like watching reels or something like that. I fucked up with the things, so I didn't do the particular task which is assigned for this particular hour. This one task I haven't done, that's why all my tasks got messed up. That's why, just because of this 1 hour task which I haven't done, it's will messed up with the yearly schedule. And if the yearly schedule get messed up, that is why you guys won't be able to achieve the goals, man. Please learn from these things. Please, I believe in this. I believe you can get rich. If you're watching this, brother, don't just watch, learn from me. Start tracking your software. Yeah, you say, you will be like, I know what need to done. I have every single thing in mind. Then why you are still broke? Why you haven't done the task which is need to be done? Like, why the fuck you are still at the same place? Why the fuck? Understand, brother, our brain is not for storage. Our brain is for creating the ideas. I got that, understand, and that's why I'm fucking doing all of these things. I was so egoistic, like, why in the world I should be typing the things which I can remember? And then I was like, if I'm remembering, then why I will not achieving my goals? That is why this thinking I was actually keeping me poor. That, oh, I can think, I can keep this in my fucking mind. I know what to do. Why should I write it? That's why I was fucking broke. Now I'm heading towards the rich millionaire level, and I will clip this video for sure. Signing off, brother. This is the end of the daily review. Signing off. So the review of the daily review is yesterday's task is finished. Now we'll do the today's task for sure. Signing off. Peace. We'll come back tomorrow.